Okay, well done. Good brother. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Double cup. Brother from UK. Well done. Okay, high five. High five. Both high five. Yeah. Okay. Move. Okay, you do the same. Okay. Remember. Go. Cut. Close the bell. Close the bell. Wait, crank. Up. Oh. Sink it. Move. Double hook up. Chaopharya catfish. Yes. Slowly. Take your time. Your one is, you know what it is? Powerful. See ya. Yeah. It's on the tail. You see? That's why it's so strong. You see? You keep going. Let it go. Okay, stop. Where you will, you see? Let it go. Yes. We go and double hook up. See? Yeah, see? You get the momentum. Yeah, you got on the tail, you see? Look at the tail come back. He got it on the mouth, you see? See that? See, you get the tail, the tail comes out there. Slowly. Look to the back. Okay, double hook up. Almost landing. Okay, don't move. Double cup. Brother from UK. Well done. Okay, high five. Both high five. Yeah. Okay. Slowly. Okay, good. Oh, come on. Okay. Stay. Oh, your barramundi. Yes, your first barramundi. Okay. Yes, go. Good. Okay. Release, small one, okay. Yes, good. Okay, to the right. View. Okay. Oh. Stay on the drop, right? Okay, move back. Okay, another big one. Okay, photo. Yes. This big one. Look at the wave. Yes. To the left. To the left. Open it. Stay. Another big one. See? Yeah. Yeah. Power. Oh, now he fine. Now he knows he get hooked. Early on he don't know. He got. Okay. Yes. Oh, good. Go right. One to right. And then two. Oh, last bit. Yes.